Hi guys, and welcome to another episode of Maths with Miss S. This is part 1 on rounding, and in this video I want to show you the basics of rounding and also share a little trick with you that can make your life so much easier. It's a simple thing, but it has a big impact on how you are rounding. So when you're rounding to the nearest 100, for example, you put your 100 position in a box. I know it sounds simple, but trust me, it will help you not make mistakes in the whole rounding process. So put your number in a box and then look at what comes right after that box, because this number behind the box now determines if we have to round up or down. Now, since this number behind the box is a 9, we need to round up because 9 is greater than 5, and rounding up means that the number in the box turns into the next higher number, so from 3 to 4, and all remaining digits after the box need to turn into zeros. Let's do that again with a different kind of question. Now we're supposed to round to 3 significant figures. What that means is that we start counting at the first digit of our number, which would be the 7 here. That would be our first significant figure. The 2 would be the second significant figure, and 5 would be the third significant figure. So 5 would go in a box here. Side note there, whenever we have leading zeros, which would be the case in decimals, such as 0.00345, the first zeros there, so the 0.00 would not be significant. The 3, 4, and 5 are significant. So we would start counting at the 3. That will be our first significant figure there. In this exercise though, we have the 5 in a box now, and we look at what comes right behind it. It's a 3. 3 is less than 5, which means we need to round down, and rounding down means that the number in the box stays the same, but all other digits behind it turn into zeros. This is how we make the number smaller. Now let's summarize the basics. When we have to round down for a 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4 behind the box, and we have to round up whenever there's a 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9 behind the number in the box. When we're rounding down, the number in the box stays the same. When we're rounding up, the number in the box turns from one number to the next higher.